Hello, this is Jacob with iReviews, and today we got another big package to look at today. Just arrived. Came in a little beat up, but that shouldn't be too much of a worry. Let's go ahead and get this open. And they got that stuck on there good. And inside we have the Air Dragon. Nice little air pump. The box inside has a few little dents on it. Some probably happened in transit, but shouldn't be a problem with the actual product itself. Let's go ahead and get this box open. And here's the main event. First impressions are important. It's about the size I imagine it would be. Can't get much smaller for an air compressor. This is definitely a decent size for portability. Taken from someone who's actually used larger compressors quite often. They are usually something that's going to be heavy and hard to move around, so this is actually a very mobile model. The fact that you can fit it in one hand is astonishing to me sometimes. As you can see here, it says to push the button down here to open, and this is where all the wiring's kept. It's just locked into place there, so if this wire did get damaged, it wouldn't be easy to replace. But that also means that it's safely kept in here and not that hard to lose. We also have little buttons here. This is the screen display. Shows you the air pressure and everything you need to know. Important information to have while you're doing it, and one of the main selling points of this model, the fact that it can easily tell you and get to you to the desired air pressure. Several other little analog functions here. Little lock and unlock switch right here. Little knob up here, twist on and off. And we will look more on about this little thing here later when we put it to use. For now though, this is the Air Dragon. This is what you should expect to get when you receive it, alongside a few little pamphlets for general instructions, which should help you understand how to use it if it's not clear to you. And I think that's it for now.